Hi guys, Taj the Arcade Junkie. Right, part 3 then. I'm going to show you the ride working. I've only got a couple of minutes left on my phone before it dies. So here we go. So part 3, RGM Space Bike Restoration Project. This is the ride working as of now. Enjoy. Button 1. Button 2. At the moment the buttons both do the same sound. I'm not sure if that's the way it should be. When I get into the bass I'll find out. If it's not, then both buttons in the end will do 2 different sound effects it's supposed to do. But at the moment that's what it does. Hold it down, continuous sound effect. Cool, hope you enjoyed guys. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe, and make sure you keep on this series. I'm going to go through everything with this ride. I'm going to fully refurbish it, fully restore it. Keep watching. Part 4 to follow, which we'll start off doing some work on it. Hope you enjoy, and don't forget, like, share, subscribe, get it on Facebook, tell your people, tell your friends. Let's do it. Taj the Arcade Junkie. Over and out.